ada one time Oda minggu ke-6 Oda stress sangat. Pasal pressure, put a pressure from my family semua. And bila Oda dah pressure terus macam ya Allah kenapa ni. So the time tu rehearsal hari Sabtu Mama dah cakap benda kat Oda, buatkan Oda pressure. So I was stressed at that point. I lari. Kita tengah borak dengan all the contestant. Ahmad semua, Talita semua ada. Borak pasal lari. Lepas tu dia macam kenapa Oda lari ni? I lari masuk bilik. Lepas tu diorang ketuk. Diorang masuk Audra. Lepas tu because they knew I was stressed. Diorang tahu yang Oda stressed. Diorang masuk. Lepas tu diorang macam Audra it's okay, satu-satu cakap. Tak apa Audra, kita pun semua stress Audra. Kita pun gaduh je dengan mak bapak kita. Tapi it's okay Audra. Diorang bagi tahu, they tried to cheer me up lah. And it was really sweet. It was really nice. It made us more closer. You know, macam at that moment you finally realize yang wow, we're all at this point where kita orang macam so comfortable with each other that kita orang
boleh comfort
each other because boleh bezakan minggu pertama dan minggu ke-6. Minggu pertama kita orang macam good luck. Good luck.
Coklat lagi
Coklat lagi good luck. Yeah, you too bro. Macam tu kan. Lepas tu tiba-tiba minggu ke-6 Audra tak apa kita tiba-tiba dah rapat macam tu. So it's like I made a new family lah.